everybody, it's Adrienne for WDW Bound, and today I want to talk about the 50th anniversary birthday celebration happening in Walt Disney World in October of this year. If you have kept up with things, or if this is new to you, then know that Magic Kingdom opened its doors officially on October 1st, 1971, and this year, October 1st, 2021, we're going to be celebrating the most magical celebration. It begins on October 1st, but it actually runs for 18 months, so don't feel like you're going to miss out just by not being there on the actual day. The first thing that you may have seen or will see is that the Cinderella Castle in Magic Kingdom has gotten a makeover. Previously, it was kind of a gray silvery with blue turrets, and in the past year or so, it's been painted to be pink with this more like bluey purple turrets instead. It's a very controversial change. However, not as controversial as the 25th anniversary cake castle cake. I'll insert a picture of that right here. I think we can all agree that the 50th is definitely an improvement on the 25th. So the castle is, like I said, pink and blue. It's gotten a lot of embellishments and really pretty accents added to the castle itself. The clock, which again is controversial apparently, but the clock has been covered up with a big emblem with the 50 on it. So the castle itself has gotten quite a makeover in preparation for their 50th anniversary. In addition to the castle, all of the park icons, while they're not getting makeovers, are going to be getting a special projection again starting on October 1st. So Tower of Terror in Hollywood Studios, Spaceship Earth in Epcot, and the Tree of Life in Animal Kingdom will all have special projections in order to celebrate the 50th birthday of Walt Disney World. In addition to these projections at nighttime, you'll also see two new nighttime spectaculars. In Magic Kingdom, you'll be seeing Disney Enchantment, which again begins on October 1st and takes the place of Happily Ever After. A lot of people kind of thought that Happily Ever After would be returning after Disney Enchantment is done with this 18-month run. However, it now appears that Happily Ever After will be gone for good. So if that is something that you are particularly attached to, you may want to plan a very last-minute trip here in the next couple of months to get that in before it goes away. Personally, I love Happily Ever After. I love the song. I love the projections. I loved Wishes too. I'm sure that I will love Disney Enchantment and whatever comes after. I just love fireworks in the park. So however they want to do it is fine with me. I'm always looking for new things to see and watch and enjoy. Like I said, in addition to the new nighttime spectacular in Magic Kingdom, there's also going to be one in Epcot. Harmonious is finally opening. And if you have been recently, you've seen the large barges in the middle of World Showcase, and those will be finally put to good use, and we'll see all of that nighttime spectacular again beginning on October 1st. October 1st, kind of unrelated to the 50th anniversary or 50th birthday, or whatever you want to call it, will also be opening Remy's Ratatouille Adventure in the France Pavilion of Epcot. So if you are headed down that weekend, just expect and understand that those two parks are going to be very busy and very crowded. We actually are headed down on October 1st. Actually, we're headed down the day before, but we have park pass reservations for Magic Kingdom on the 1st and for Epcot on the 2nd. So I'm looking forward to experiencing all of these new things as they open and reporting back to you guys, of course, along with every other blogger and vlogger on the face of the planet. Probably it's going to be very, very crowded. However, I just feel like we could not go if we had the opportunity. We booked our hotel reservation, probably a year and a half ago, as early as you could possibly book it. We've got our park pass reservations ready. I'm the planner, so I've got that all set up and ready to go. I just felt like this was something that is a once in a lifetime opportunity for a Disney fan, and I just couldn't pass it up. In addition to the nighttime spectaculars and the projection shows, you'll also see a new set of sculptures throughout the parks. They're called the Fab 50 sculptures, so they'll be celebrating 50 iconic Disney characters throughout the parks in that way as well. things that are not yet officially announced, but we're gonna go ahead and make some assumptions, is that there will be some special treats, some special snacks that will be celebrating the 50th anniversary, as well as merchandise, all within this kind of iridescent theme that they have going on for it. The characters are going to be wearing this iridescent blue outfits. There's even going to be a special cavalcade with Mickey and Minnie and probably the Fab Five in their special outfits as it goes through the parks. So plenty of merchandise to purchase. I am already looking forward to a pair of iridescent ears that I'm going to be able to put on my head, because I am very much, an ear collector. You couldn't tell. All right, let us know if you're planning on going to the 50th. I'm looking forward to seeing many, many people there that I have met and known and admired for years, in addition to just kind of celebrating in general. Hopefully there's a button. Like, certainly you're gonna at least get a button when you walk in the front door, right? We got one of those for Star Wars. So I'm just kind of assuming that we'll at least get a button, something to celebrate. Probably some special photo pass opportunities. Lots of things still to be announced, still to be excited about. But I'm looking forward to know if you guys are headed down there, if you are avoiding it at all costs, and we'll see it at the last opportunity, if at all. All of your opinions on the castle, on the merchandise, on the celebrations, on what they're doing, please leave those down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. As always, please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see y'all next time. Bye.